Excellency, former President of the Republic of South Africa, Dr. Kgalema Motlanthe, Dr. Lindiwe Nongceba Sisulu, patron of the Sisulu Foundation. It is indeed a privilege to welcome you to the Vaal University of Technology for the second annual Walter Sisulu Memorial Lecture. We gather this evening to honor a giant of our liberation struggle, but also to confront a question that should trouble every one of us. What becomes of a nation when the future of its young people is steadily taken away from them?
Allow me to stand on the protocol already established by our program director. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege to deliver this reflection as part of the second annual Walter Sisulu Lecture. To remember Walter Sisulu is to confront this paradox. He was shaped by a history he did not choose, yet he became one of those rare individuals through whom history altered its direction. He was both a product and creator of history. A memorial lecture must hold these two truths together. If we present Sisulu only as a product of his circumstances, we diminish his agency. If we present him only as an exceptional hero, detached from the movements, relationships, and institutions that sustained him, we distort the meaning of his leadership.
VUT, inspiring thought, shaping talent.